Hello, AI lovers and data science enthusiasts. Are you dreaming of becoming a data scientist from an absolute beginner's level? Excellent. We believe data science, a division of artificial intelligence, AI, will greatly change the future of humanity. And this course is the first step in your progression to becoming a full-fledged data scientist. But data science is simply impossible without a sound understanding of probability and statistics. A data scientist specializes in gleaning data from complex and noisy data sets. Sifting through complex and noisy data means you need to reason about uncertainty. Now, this is where probability and statistics provide you with the mathematical foundation needed for such reasoning. This comprehensive interactive online course from AI Sciences will equip you with the right tools to tackle real-world problems at the workplace. Now, you may be wondering, how will this short course help me accomplish so much? First, this course will teach you how to ask the right questions and define a problem statement. You then learn how to collect the most relevant data to perform your analysis. Next, you learn to explore this data to see what it tells you. Then you employ various data analysis techniques to derive inferences and predict some solutions for the problem statement. Finally, you confirm that your inferences/predictions are fairly accurate. And right through this process, you'll be using Python. And most importantly, in this course, you will learn everything from the beginning, and this is something you cannot afford to miss. Hurry up, enroll today, and become a data scientist with this comprehensive course on Udemy.